Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on your iPhone without losing any data like photos or apps. This reset is perfect if you are facing issues with settings or just want to start afresh. That's it, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to select the general option. This is where you will find options to manage various settings and reset your device. And in the general menu, scroll down until you see transfer or reset iPhone option. Then you have to tap on it and then select the reset option. You will see several reset options here. And from the list that shows up, select reset all settings. This option will reset things like your Wi-Fi settings, wallpapers, and accessibility options without deleting any data at all. Now a confirmation pop-up will appear. Then you have to enter your passcode if prompted. And then you have to hit reset all settings in the pop-up to confirm the action. And that's about it. Your iPhone will now restart with all settings reset, while your photos, apps and personal data will remain safe as always. If this guide has helped, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.